Is your Lenovo Yoga 730 not turning on? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This problem might occur due to a failing battery or internal power issues, but we can fix it. We'll replace the faulty components and ensure your Lenovo Yoga 730 runs smoothly again. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.